Sai Hiraram everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, welcome to a brand new episode. Got leftover rotis? Don't reheat them. Transform them. Today we are making spicy chatpata and absolutely irresistible Sindhi special Seyal Roti. First up, heat some oil in a kadai on medium flame. Add jeera and rye and let them splutter. Then toss in some fresh curry leaves and finely chopped onions. Saute till soft and light pink. Meanwhile, make a quick flavor bomb. Pound garlic, ginger and green chilies together. Then add some fresh coriander and crush into a coarse green paste. Add this into the kadai and mix well. The aroma is amazing. Time for some masalas. Add salt, turmeric, dhania powder and a little magic masala. Mix well. Then add chopped tomatoes and cover for 2 minutes till soft and juicy. Now grab those rotis, tear them into pieces and toss them straight into the masalas. Sprinkle a little water, mix well and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. And done! Hot, spicy and super comforting Seyal Roti is ready. Top with fresh coriander and serve hot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick desi comfort recipes.